You're at home, you're bored. There's nothing else to do. You open your phone and try to choose what app you're going to use next. Well, what if I told you that you can earn extra income just by testing apps? Crazy, right? Well, you definitely can. It's legit and totally doable. Hey guys, this is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to make money online by testing apps. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. In this strategy, I'll show you how to earn money simply by just testing apps. In fact, this method involves using an app that nearly everyone uses every day. Do you know what it's called? Can you guess? Well, here goes. It's Google Chrome. Yes, you got that right. You can totally earn money with Google Chrome. Yes, what a time to live in. You can use this simple system I'm going to show you to start earning online. The first thing I want you to do is to go to Furpection.com. It's not perfection, guys, it's Furpection. Oh, and by the way, please make sure to follow this video because if you don't, you won't get to utilize this method I'm about to show you. Okay, now that you're on the site's homepage, what I want you to do is to click on the Become a Tester button on the top right of the page. Once you're done with this, you'll be reloaded to another page. See, it says here that you can work online by being a tester and giving your opinion on sites and mobile applications. Can you believe it? All you have to do are 3 things. First, you have to explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. Then you send your feedback, whether positive or negative, it doesn't matter, to the website. After this, you're good to go, and your feedback will be reviewed by the site's moderators. Oh, and by the way, this platform works for all devices. It doesn't even matter if you're an Apple or Android user. How convenient is that? Who would have thought that you can actually earn money just by testing websites and apps using this platform? Now let's tie everything up. What I want you to do next is to scroll down the website's homepage. There you can see a description of what feedback is for the website. As seen in the description, feedback is submitted through a screenshot or a video screencast along with a clear description. You are also encouraged to submit both positive and negative elements. So after you sign up for the platform and create your account, you'll be asked about necessary information including your email address. You may now log into your account and take a look at all of the missions you can take part in. Now each mission will specify what type of device you need in order to apply for it. As you can see, each mission has a briefing which you need to read, which has all the necessary information you may need. So for example, let's click on this mission which requires a desktop to complete. Then let's read the brief of the mission. This is basically just a short introduction that explains to you what the mission is about. These reviews help developers improve their website or app. What's cool is that Furpection will give a guide to effectively critique platforms. As you can see here, there are a few reminders or steps on Furpection's expectations of your critique. In short, just make sure to follow this, you guys. This is the site's benchmark when it comes to reviews. When you're done with all of these steps, such as reading the brief and familiarizing yourself with the guidelines, you're now ready to start. Click Start the Mission. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to a page which displays important reminders for you, which are important to satisfy the client's needs. So we can see here that they expect testers to write and complete sentences, provide at least 1 feedback per step, mark 1 problem as important, and the list goes on. Now I repeat, this is very important, guys. You have to make sure that you follow the website's guide or you won't get paid. In fact, there are a lot of people who come on the site Review numerous platforms but don't earn at all because they didn't follow the guidelines. So for your sake, let's review them again. The first guideline is to write incomplete sentences. Well, this is a no-brainer. If you guys want to make credible reviews, you should write incoherent sentences that people will be able to understand. Good communication is key here. The second guideline is that the feedback must contain only one idea. When you write your reviews, just make sure to focus on one idea to keep it centralized and focused. The third guideline is to provide one feedback per step. The next guideline is to report at least 2 problems, and the last one is to mark one problem as important. Now, these steps ensure that you'll be able to give adequate feedback to the clients, and they'll be knowledgeable on what to improve on their platform based on your review. After that, you'll be presented with additional instructions. So for example, this mission has the company website attached, and they've also made it clear that you should take your time per step of the process. Now, when you go to the link of the client, you will just need to provide screenshots as seen here in the upload box. So you can drop files here or drag and drop them. Easy peasy. With this screenshot, you have proof that you actually made an effort to go to this client's website and check it out. It also makes it easier for the client to know which aspect of their website they should improve on. Now, once you have your screenshot, all you have to do is to upload your screenshot by clicking this blue button. After uploading the screenshot, you'll have to fill in the following boxes below, asking for your feedback. This lets you thoroughly explain your experience to the client and let them know the great things in their platform and what they need to improve on. When you're done with all of these, you may now proceed to the next step. So it's basically the same process. You assess the platform, find out what you like about it, as well as the stuff that can be improved on. Take a screenshot, upload it to Furpection, and provide a detailed review on the client's platform. Anyways, after finishing all of this, you'll be redirected to the last page of the mission. Here, you'll be asked to determine your feedback as well as which problem of the platform needs to be looked into ASAP. When you're done, click on the Finish Mission button down below. And that's it. That's how you can earn money simply by just testing apps and websites. It's amazing how many opportunities we have to earn money online by doing simple tasks. I hope this video helps you guys earn some extra cash. Let us know in the comments how this strategy goes for you. As always, our channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh content to help you build the life you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.